In today's video, I am going to teach you how to switch from Meta Business Suite to Business Manager. To get started, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the business tools you need are connected to your page and business assets. After you are on your Facebook business page, look to the left-hand menu. In that menu, click Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where Meta organizes your business tools, notifications, content, and account activity. When the Meta Business Suite dashboard loads, go to the top of the page and find your Business Portfolio drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to open the portfolio options. This menu allows you to move between connected business areas and access additional settings tied to your business account. Inside the Business Portfolio menu, click Business Settings. As soon as you select that option, Meta will take you out of the standard Business Suite view and into Meta Business Manager. This is the area where you can work with more advanced business settings and manage important assets in one place. Once you are in Meta Business Manager, you will be able to access settings for things like pages, ad accounts, people, permissions, and other connected business assets. This is the best place to go when you need more control over how your business account is organized, or when you need access to tools that are not always visible in the standard Business Suite dashboard. If you want to switch back to Meta Business Suite at any time, look at the left-hand navigation menu inside Business Manager. Click Home, and Meta will return you to the Business Suite interface. This makes it easy to move back and forth depending on which tools you need to use. So the full process is simple. Start by logging into Facebook and switching to your business page. Open Meta Business Suite from the left-hand menu. Click the Business Portfolio drop-down at the top. Choose Business Settings, and you will be taken to Meta Business Manager. If you need to go back, just click Home in the left-hand navigation. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.